It's Sean. Alright, the day has come. Sorry to say, as sad as I am, those mirrors have to go. It's going to be hard to let them go. They're so beautiful. But time has come that they get off there. I mean, they are jank. Total junk. Plywood. Alright, so what we did, we went over to the wrecking yard and we found 2 mirrors. They're in real good shape. Originals, all metal, no plastic. And $22.50 a piece. And all I did was shoot them with a little bit of paint and they're ready to go on. So that's what I'm going to do right now and bring you back. Hang on. Alright folks, I thought I'd bring you back for a sec here. It's while you're in here, you got to take this door panel off. So while you're inside that door, it's a good time to lube up your window regulator, because the Jeeps and the Chryslers have that tube with the cord in it. And anyways, it's a good idea to get in there and use some lube and lube up that cable. And I do it the least invasive way I can, and I just take near where the area is, the window, I just take my pocket knife and make a cut and up, and then I can lift the plastic, the vapor barrier, lube up, it's right there, lube up that track and that cable, and then I use just regular old packing tape, plastic packing tape, and that holds it back together after you're done. And that door panel's never been off. It's still stuck to all the way around. It's never been off. So it's a good idea to do that while you're in here. So alright, let's get that mirror put on, and then we can put this door panel back together. Alright, let me carry on. Be back. Alright folks, we got them put on. There's that one. And there's the inside adjuster, and it works just fine. Yeah, got the door panel all put back on. So, and that window works way good now. Sweet. Alright. I'm going to get rid of these holes here in a minute. At least for now. Eventually we plan on hoping to be able to paint this thing. But I ain't going to do it this time of year. No. Alright, so there it is. And I put some deer whistles on there. Those seem to do work. My dad hit 2 or 3 deer. And he put those on because the neighbor suggested it. And he quit hitting deer. I guess they help to get the deer out of the road before you get to them. It emits a whistle and it scares them off. So anywho, those lights look real good in there that was replaced. Way good. That one was over there, was busted. And this one was cracked, so we got rid of that. Yeah. So for 45 bucks we got OE mirrors. OEM. And they're all metal. They don't have no plastics in them. I put this one on last night. I put this one on. It works really good as well. So there we go. Oh, and I got us some Jeep floor mats. You betcha. And another thing I did is, let me get in here. Oh, we ripped that stereo out. I tried to get it working and it started smoking, so I got rid of it quick. And that clock, it never worked when we got it, and I could not figure out why. I took the this plastic dash panel off, which is really simple. It takes 5 seconds, literally. I mean, maybe 10. Anyways, and I pulled the clock out. Somebody took the light bulb out of the back of it. Why, I don't know. But that clock works good now. There it is, and it's the correct time. So, yeah, we fixed the clock. Alrighty, guys and gals, don't forget to sign up for the draw. I'll be doing that draw giveaway. Alright, there's what we did with the Jeep, though. Now I can see out the mirrors while I'm driving. Alright, much better. That looks way good anyways. Way better than those janky fall apart things that were on there. I'm telling you, developing quite a scrap pile here. These just had to go. There was pieces of wood on them and pieces of strapping, and yeah, it's going to be going in this box right over here. And we're going to get rid of those. And there's the old radio. It's just a Legacy brand CD radio player with a old dial thing. Anyway, when I got it up, I put a new fuse down below because the fuse was blown out of the fuse box. And that thing started smoking, so I pulled the fuse and went in and got rid of this. That's going to get junked too. Alright guys, take it easy. Love y'all. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.